Hi everyone! Welcome to Miss Mary's Maths class. Today's lesson is enlargement. What is enlargement? Enlargement is to make a shape bigger or smaller. Two things we need to know. First is scale factor. It is how many times bigger or smaller. And second is the center of enlargement. It is the point where you enlarge from. Let's see some examples. First example, enlarge this shape by scale factor 2. So that's our object. Measure each side. So that measures 3, then 2, 3, and 2. Scale factor 2 means multiply all lengths by 2. So we have there 3 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 2 times 2. So it doesn't matter where you draw the image. 3 times 2 is 6. So draw 6. Then 4. Then 6. Then 4. So that's our image. Second example, enlarge this shape by scale factor 3. Measure each side. That's 2, 3, 1. No need to measure the diagonal since the diagonal is the last thing to draw. And again, it doesn't matter where you will draw your image. Scale factor 3 means multiply all lengths by 3. 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 1 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, draw a line. 3 times 3 is 9, draw a line. 1 times 3 is 3, draw a line. Then connect the other 2 points to make the diagonal. There you have our image. Let's try a different example. Enlarge this shape by scale factor 2 from the center of enlargement. That's our object. And this is our center of enlargement. Scale factor 2 means multiply all lengths by 2. First, get 1 point from the object. And then draw a line going to the center of enlargement. So from the point to of the object to the center of enlargement, we see 2 units down and 2 units to the left. So those 2 units we have to multiply by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have to extend that from the center of enlargement 4 steps to the left and then 4 steps going 4 steps to the right and then 4 steps going up. So that's our new point. Now for the second point. Now that point going to the center of enlargement, we have 2 units down and 4 units to the left. Now again, multiply by 2. 4 times 2, 2 times 2, then we will have 8. So extend the line, 8. That will be 8 units to the right and then 4 units up. That will be our second point. For the third point, going to the center of enlargement, that is 5 units down, 2 units left. So 2 times 2, 5 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So draw a line 4 steps to the right and then 10 units up. That will be our third point. There you have it, our image. Fourth example, enlarge this shape by scale factor 4 from the center of enlargement. So again, scale factor 4 means multiply all lengths by 4. So that's the first point, going to the center of enlargement. That's 1 up and 1 to the left times 4 each. So we have there 4 Extend the line to the right, then 4 units to the right, 4 units down. Okay? Next point. 1 up, 3 left. So that's 3 times 4, 1 times 4. So that's 12 to the right and 4 down. Another point. To the center of enlargement. That's 3 up, 1 left times 4 each. So we have there 4 to the right and then 12 down. And the last point, to the center of enlargement, we have 3 up, 3 left. Multiply each by 4. We have 12 to the right and then 12 down. Connect all the points. And that's our image. Let's try another example, different one. Enlarge this shape by scale factor 3 with -6, -4 as the center of enlargement. So that's our object. And our center of enlargement is this one. So -6, -4. Scale factor 3 means multiply all lengths by 3. That's the point. Okay. The same thing what we did in examples 3 and 4. Okay? Same with example 6, enlarge the shape by scale factor, 1/2. With 4 minus -3, the center of enlargement. So scale factor 4, scale factor 1/2, it means multiply all lengths by 1/2 or divided by 2. So if that is the case, so this is 6 down, 10 to the right. So 6 divided by 2 is -3. 10 divided by 2 is -5. Okay? That's a new point. And then there you have our new image. Let me go back to that. So if it's scale factor 3, the object becomes bigger. But if it's scale factor 1/2, the object becomes smaller. Get it? Next example, the last two. Describe the transformation fully that takes shape A to shape B. Let's see that. So enlargement. So that's 3 and that is 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. So it's an enlargement by scale factor 2. Now let's draw a line from one vertex of B to the corresponding vertex of A. And another vertex, a pair of vertices of shape A and shape B. Draw a line. Then the third line and the fourth line, creating our center of enlargement. The points of intersection of those lines will be our center of enlargement. And that is point -6, -1. So it's an enlargement by scale factor 2 from center -6, -1. For our last example, describe the transformation fully that takes shape A to shape B. Again, measure shape A. So that's 9. And this side of B is 3. So that is 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So that is by scale factor 1/3 because it goes smaller. And for the center of enlargement, again, let's draw a line touching each pair of vertices of A and B. So we are making 4 lines, and that will be the center of enlargement, which is point 7, comma 4. Sorry for that. There you have it, enlargement. That's all for today. See you in our next session. Bye!